Well, hello everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to A Blessed Home. Today I am making the announcement of the winner of this beautiful laundry container set by Better Homes and Gardens. First of all, I would like to thank each and every one of you that are a part of this blessed family. This channel would not be what it is without you, and I thank God for you. I would like to thank everyone that entered this giveaway. And trust me, this year I will be doing more giveaways. So please make sure you have subscribed and your notification bell is clicked. Now this beautiful set is by Better Homes and Gardens. It comes with the caddy, and you can put your cleaning supplies in it. You have a container where you can put your laundry pods or your laundry detergent. And you have a second container as well. And you have a laundry bag. I absolutely love this set. And again, this set is by Better Homes and Gardens. Now guys, I used randomnamepickers.com to choose the winner. We had 189 people to enter the giveaway. That is amazing. So right now, drum roll, please. And the winner of this beautiful set is Levels of Style with Sandra. Congratulations, Sandra. You are the winner of this laundry set. Now you will have 72 hours to contact me via email at kimberlydavis1369.kd.4@gmail.com with your mailing information to claim the prize. Now, if you do not claim the prize by the 72 hours, another name will be drawn. Again, thank you to all that entered this wonderful giveaway. I would like to thank each and every one of you for your encouraging words, all of your comments, all of the laughs that you give. They are very much appreciated and makes me push even more. So I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed, beautiful day. Be safe out there, and I'll talk to you real soon.